For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
India has lodged a strong protest with Pakistan over their move to convert a Gurdwara into a mosque in Lahore. India has expressed concern over the attempts to convert Gurdwara Shahidi Asthan into Masjid Shahid Ganj. Attempts are being made to convert the shrine into a mosque at Naulakha Bazaar in Lahore. The move has created outrage among the minority Sikh community in Pakistan. Sikhs in India and across the world have expressed their anger against the incident in Pakistan. The Ministry of External Affairs said a strong protest was lodged with the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi. The Gurdwara Shahidi Asthan Bhai Taru Ji is a historical shrine of Sikhs in Pakistan. It was at this location where Sikh Bhai Taru Ji made supreme sacrifice in 1745. The then governor of Lahore, Zakaria Khan, had ordered Bhai Taru Ji to cut down his hair. Bhai Taru Ji had preferred to have his head scalped rather than cutting down his hair. MEA spokesperson Anurag Srivastava has denounced the attempts to convert the Gurdwara into a mosque.
We have lodged a strong protest with the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi on the reported incident at Naulakha Bazaar in Lahore, Pakistan. Attempts are being made to convert the Gurudwara Shahidi Asthan, the site of martyrdom of Bhai Taru Singh Ji, into a mosque, claiming it as the place of Masjid Shahid Ganj.
MEA said India has expressed its concerns to Pakistan in strongest terms. India urged Pakistan to conduct a probe into the matter and take necessary steps to address the issue. India said it is the duty of Pakistan to protect the minority population and their rights.
This attempt to convert a Gurudwara into a mosque in Lahore has been viewed with grave concern in India. We demand Pakistan to look after the safety, security and well-being of its minority communities, including protection of their religious rights and cultural heritage.
India has been voicing concern over the religious freedom of minorities and persecution on global forums. Minorities such as Hindus, Christians and Sikhs are allegedly persecuted in a systematic manner in Pakistan.
Strongly condemn attempts being made to convert Holy Gurudwara Shri Shahidi Asthan in Lahore, site of martyrdom of Bhai Tarun Singh Ji, into mosque. Urged Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar to convey Punjab's concerns in strongest terms to Pakistan to safeguard all Sikh places of reverence.
India said Gurdwara Shahidi Asthan is a place of great reverence for Sikh community. Concerns were also raised over the dwindling population of minorities in Pakistan. Several incidents of forcible conversion of minorities were reported in Pakistan in recent times.